Off Washington Boulevard in Kingston, Jamaica at the Boulevard Supercenter is Health Plus Associates.
Good morning and thank you for making it Health Plus.
Health Plus Associates is a medical center with over 15 health professionals and 8 support staff. In 2008, they faced the wrath of global recession.
Economic activity will weaken in light of a protracted global slowdown.
This is the greatest economic challenge of our times.
In 2010, Steve Lister noted that small businesses were feeling the greatest negative impact of the recession in Jamaica. Health Plus Associates was in no way immune to the effects of the crisis. They also faced tremendous challenges. Dr. Orville Nembhard, director and family physician, explains.
The most difficult challenge was that of cash flow. Forget the issue of profitability. The issue was how do we move from a negative cash flow situation to a positive cash flow.
To avoid this attack on the heart of its business, they approached the banks and met with this response.
Difficult is they all wanted collateral, for which we were short on. And also it required that they have some faith in us going forward, that we would be able to survive the recession and come out in a positive manner. Having hit what was a bad patch after 15, 16 years of operation, essentially we found it difficult to access capital, and in fact there were situations in which bankers were looking at us and telling us that we were insolvent.
So how did they manage this worsening threat?
We worked hard at looking at cutting our expenditure. As directors, we made sacrifices. If we didn't have to take any salary or take any funds out of the company, we ensured that there was money in there to maintain the business.
They reduced inventory, put in an admin fee, and negotiated persistently for a financial lifeline.
A pivotal point for us was accessing actually a different bank. Very helpful was BNS, and have to give credit to Junior Clark, who was manager at the time in the Crossroads branch. A year or two on, he hasn't been disappointed.
Overall, what kept Health Plus afloat?
We stuck to what I consider our core business. We are built on a principle of service, offering good quality service at reasonable prices.
They focused on staff training, internal processes, expanded pediatric coverage, and added ultrasound and ECG services.
Those are success stories for us. All of those services were needed. We also improved our outreach and marketing. And in so doing, we also brought in new patients, and we continue to do so with our marketing approach. We had the absolute faith that things would turn, and when they did, we wanted to be oiled and fully ready to take advantage of that scenario.
Facing a challenge to the heart, they resuscitated their business and still serve you today.
A vote for Health Plus is a vote for triumph over adversity. It is the indomitable spirit, the desire not to go under in the face of daunting challenges, in the face of lack of faith by those around us whom we thought should have been more supportive under the circumstance. It shows that with the appropriate approach, the implementation of good business strategy, and the principles of good business management, we can turn around our individual economy, and who knows, we could extend that to the wider economy of Jamaica.
Vote for us.